What's going on, YouTube? I had some music playing. I was hoping it would keep going on while I was recording this. I'm playing a lighting guy, camera guy, and trying to keep everything in focus here. Hurricane Mathew's windy, and the rain is just pounding and pounding down where I'm at. I wish I could show you. I'm gonna try to do my best. I don't know if this light's gonna do it any justice, but it's kind of fun back here in the old van, the way it's set up right now. I've got my surfboard up here. Let's see, I'm gonna try to rig this. Got the surfboard, and then I got the blankets and the towels. I don't know what it's able to see. I don't know if it's showing anything. That would be cool to get. But it's all, I don't know, surfboard. But it's like little tent city in here. Alright, bye.